hope is a good thing and maybe the best thing. And remember, no good thing ever dies. In trading, hope isn't just about the next big win, guys. It's about building resilience, staying grounded, and knowing that every effort we make has the potential to improve our lives. Trading goes beyond the surface. It's not just about making money, impressing others with our newly acquainted properties or cars, just becoming famous, really. Real trading is about enriching your own lives and in turn uplifting the lives of those around you. It's about showing up every day, guys. Every single day, no matter what your personal circumstances dictate. And the outcome, of course, it does matter, but what matters even more is your purpose. As traders, we need to move past waiting for the perfect moment or inspiration to strike. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Trading requires that discipline, the willingness to get up each day, study the markets, make strategic decisions, and learn from our mistakes. And every day you show up, you're laying the groundwork for progress. Some days might be tough, guys, and there are really tough days, tough weeks, tough months. But with persistence, you're not only becoming better today, you're building resilience and self-reliance. Those two things which are so important for improving your future self as a trader. At the end of the day, trading is about getting better, getting well, and finding happiness in the journey itself. By embracing the ups and downs, we go stronger and ultimately we find our own version of success, not just in profits, but in the life we are creating. So keep going, stay hopeful, and keep showing up. Now, the timing of this video, guys, is critical. I must say, as I usually end up each and every video with 1 or 2 double-digit returning trades, I wanted to do the same in this video. We need to consider the fact that this month has been very, very tough months. We've had a lot of break-even trades. We've got some losing trades. We've got some very small profitable trades and only 2 double-digit returning trades, which I will be walking you through in a second. Before that, I wanted to say that this has been, for me, one of the probably hardest months this year, and I do realize that we have elections coming up, US elections coming up in less than 2 weeks, and this does contribute to the uncertainty on the markets. It does contribute to the lack of liquidity as well. And if you've been having a very hard period as well, trust me, you weren't alone. So let's have a look at those 2 double-digit returning trades. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. So how was I able to get into this trade, guys? It reached to 1 to 20, but now it has gone to 1 to 16, the risk to reward ratio. As every other trade, this trade is different on its own. And the reason why this trade was different is because I took this trade, first of all, yesterday during the US session, and there was the expectation of the US numbers coming out today, this afternoon. So I didn't really want to hold this trade overnight, but this is exactly what happened. So I held onto this trade, and this was the overnight activity. As you can see, it's decreasing here, and then it didn't really break through this level. I'm having the expectation that very likely it might continue the uptrend, but since this is the zone that I was targeting, I would gladly get out of this trade. It is a very, very profitable trade, still a double-digit returning trades, 1 to 16, even slightly higher, more or less 1 to 16. So I'm really happy. A little bit about a few words about the entry yesterday. Nothing different than usual. I'm following my rules. We have specific rules based on my day trading strategy. This is where I entered. This was a mid-range trade, and for the people that have taken my day trading program, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So this was where I entered the trade. My stop loss was quite tight, I think around 30-ish points, and then the price literally went through it and didn't really look back. So not much to say here. If we increase the time frame, you can actually see that better, and this is where we're staying now. So yeah, I think this is a good place to book profits, and this is a double-digit returning trade in October 2024. So I'm really happy and looking forward to what the rest of the month will offer us. Let's close this trade now, guys. I've just hit a 1 to 10 a risk to reward ratio on Dow Jones, and I'm thinking of closing this trade here. And let me just give it another couple of minutes. But I just wanted to record a video before I do that, since it's been a while. We are going into the pre-election stage where the markets are not as volatile. People are, waiting for the result of the US election to start aligning their positions. I can see some winding down here. But apart from that, we are not seeing any major moves. So this is only the third double-digit returning trade for this month. We have another 6 days, but I'm not very, optimistic of how many I can get for another 6 days. But anyways, it's been an eventful day, and this was my first trade on Dow Jones for the day, and it only risked how many points is that? These are around 19 points, and the price is actually just going lower, but more or less, yeah, we are at a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, guys. So I think that's plenty of what I could have asked for. I couldn't have really asked for more than that, considering the market environment, and I would actually just close this trade here. Let me just take a screenshot for the community, and I will be closing this trade here. All right, guys, it was absolute pleasure. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.